of twin. First one is fraternal twin. That means non-identical. These two twins developed from two different eggs. From at the same time. Two different eggs, two different sperm. It will form one girl baby or one boy baby. At a time in fallopian tube, two eggs was developed. It will produce the fraternal twin. Second one is maternal twin. That it is otherwise called as identical twin. One single egg during cleavage, it is divided two half, and these two half produced two girl baby or two boy baby, never both. This is called identical twin. Look-wise similar, but other activities, handprint are different. This is called maternal or identical twin. Third one is triplet or quadra. Here one egg was divided into 3 part or 4 part. Maybe two identical twin or one others. This is called triplet or quadra. Then fourth one is conjoined twin or siamese twin. Two babies born physically connected to each other. It develops when an early embryo partially separate to form two individual. This one single egg, it will divided into like this, not separated. Most conjoined twins are stillbirth and die shortly after birth. It divided to part, but the development they did not separate. In this development they did not separate. Fetus joined one part of the body or another. Example, head and chest. What is siamese twin means? Derived from Chang and Youngberger, China twin. First pair of conjoined twin to become internationally known. This twin only internationally known. The brothers were from Siamese parent name, so that name is called as Siamese twin, Chinese parent. Then IVF, in vitro fertilization, female egg not produced, unable to produce the kids. Fertilization process done outside of the body. After formation of zygote, inserted and development takes place. Okay, that fertilization process done in outside. After that only we will inserted. Okay, that process name is called as IVF. Then test tube babies, process of fertilization is done in lab. Okay, child consigned with in vitro fertilization. The egg is fertilized in the petri dish, not a test tube. When this embryo is between 3 and 5 days old, it will transfer to the uterus. All the process done in outside by using petri dish. After that only we will insert to the uterus. Then last one is rendered mother, surrogate mother. Sperm, here sperm we will take from fathers, egg will take from mothers. Then in vitro fertilization done outside of the body. After that it will inserted into surrogate mother, donor. Uterus only acting carrier.